Hello, Paul Pukis here with Mosaic Insurance Alliance and founder of the Washington State Recreational Marijuana Insurance Program that I am proud to run here at Mosaic Insurance Alliance. And if you're here watching this video, my guess is that you are in the process, somewhere in the process, of working with the Liquor Control Board, getting your I-502 business up and running, and excited about the opportunity you have in front of you to be at the forefront of the cannabis industry here in Washington State. And if that's the case, fantastic. I think you've come to the right place. Perhaps you've started working with someone, another agent, and it seems like this is the very first time they've ever heard about this or filled out an application, and maybe that's what drove you to visit us here today. And if any of that sounds familiar, I hope what I'm about to share will inspire you and serve you as well. Since the I-502 initiative was passed, I've had the privilege to be working in the industry in some detail. Being part of different organizations in the area has given me an inside track to know what growers, producers, retailers are thinking and what their needs are. And we've helped dozens of companies get the insurance that the LCB requires. Some of them, that's all they want. Others want broader coverage to make sure the investors are protected, to make sure their inventory is protected, to make sure their cash flow is protected. And there's some really interesting things that can be done with that. So I've been privileged to help folks. It's been great to work with existing I-502 businesses, other folks in the cannabis industry that have started a policy someplace else. We've had a conversation with them, and their eyes have been opened wide to say, wow, I didn't know that. That wasn't explained to me. Could you please take over our account? And we're certainly happy to do that and move forward with something that makes more sense. As this has gone on, one of the most interesting phone calls I got was someone that called in, and I've never heard this before as a tall white guy. I was told, hey, yeah, man, you've got street cred in the industry. Thought that was fantastic. And another recent, someone else that we recently helped, they got a proposal or a quote from somebody else, and I think this agent felt that there wasn't much other place to go, so they charged a $2,000 broker fee to this prospect. And obviously, we got rid of that, and without even looking at the coverages, was able to save that person $2,000 right up front. So I share that with you because we do know what we're doing here, and you can trust us to take care of you. And what I'm doing now as a benefit for folks in that industry is in the form right below, the short application. It would be great if take some time to fill that out, just a little bit. Let me know about you, and that'll move you on to the next step. We'll review the application. You can schedule a time for a free one-on-one strategy session where we can go over the different opportunities you have, because we currently work with 6 companies in the recreational marijuana insurance program that I mentioned to help them compete for your business. And each company has different coverages that you might find more interesting for your specific operation. There are certainly companies out there that target higher gross sales companies and others that have lower minimum premiums that may be of value to you. And again, I encourage you to take advantage of this, take advantage of the knowledge that we've gained in the insurance piece. Fill out the application below, and we will schedule our free one-on-one strategy session to get you pointed in the right direction with your insurance so that you can be prepared for the final inspection with the Liquor Control Board to get going in this great industry. Thank you very much. I look forward to speaking with you after you complete the application. Thank you.